Alright guys, welcome to this other strange unboxing. This is another package from Amazon, but let me see. I'm not sure if I even need a knife for this. It's a little bit of a strange package. Never had one of these before. Not sure how to open it or what to expect, but anyway. Seems like it's working, so... Ooh! That looks exciting. Let's see what this is all about. A little package. And looks rather cool. Toys. Let's see how to open this. I'll just go messy style. Oh, cool. They have a lot of these things. And it looks like, wow. It's like those fidget toys with some kind of magnet.
Likey.